Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to talk about why I think it's such a good time to buy Bitcoin and why I like it so much right now specifically after what's happened. Now, the bigger pattern that we're in for Bitcoin is a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is a consolidation pattern. So we could get some up and down price action, and this pattern can last up until April 2021, so almost a full year basically. And after that, we could see a bigger break towards the upside or downside. But regardless, I think that this opportunity here in this pattern is really to be able to load up on cheaper suppressed prices is the key word, to be able to really benefit afterwards from the bigger price move higher. Even though in the shorter term, I think we are going to move higher as we're going to start to reapproach probably 7,500, even $8,000 in the coming weeks. And that's because I think we're seeing Bitcoin become the literal version of digital gold in real time. And we didn't see that right away because Bitcoin did drop significantly, but you have to keep in mind, we were in the pattern that I was talking about. So this wasn't anything weird or unexpected because it is fully within what we had expected and the pattern that we're seeing. And, a 40% drop like we had with Bitcoin might scare a lot of people off, but you have to think what's behind that. And pretty much just it was one big panic selling event. So like I had predicted, we were going to bounce right off $5,000, 4,800, and that's exactly what happened. We got that bounce right over here. I'll draw it out on the chart, and now we're starting to move higher again. Very similarly, on the RSI, we also saw very strong bullish signals. We went back above the 30 line on the RSI, and we actually broke above our downtrend line on the RSI. As you can see right here, I just circled it in green. That is a very bullish signal and also signals the reversal. We're actually seeing a little bit of a V-shaped bounce right now. And we also now have our RSI that's uptrending. Very similar story on the MACD. We now crashed back above the orange line on the MACD, which is the start of an uptrend for the MACD, and that can lead to some very nice moves higher, as you can see back here. We're also green on the histogram. So all the indicators are pointing towards a strong reversal, basically. Now keep in mind, this isn't the type of reversal where we're going to be heading back to $20,000 right away because we're in this bigger consolidation pattern. But what this pattern allows us for is to load up on cheaper prices, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, keep in mind, this isn't financial advice, it's just my personal opinion, but for me as a trader, this is as clear as day on what's happening. Could we fall lower? Of course, there's an opportunity to move below $3,000 if things get really bad, but right now, as far as all the indicators, doesn't seem like that's going to happen. Now, like I said, our first bounce area was going to be up to this white line, which we already tested, so we could face a little bit of resistance here, but I think really in the coming weeks, we're going to be heading more towards this area right here of resistance, which is around $7,200 to $7,500, and even I think we're really making a move back to this blue line right here, so towards $8,000. And after that, I think we're going to see some bigger consolidation where we're going to trade more in the middle of the symmetrical triangle pattern, so between $7,000 and $8,000. I did want to point out for you guys that there is a nice bounce opportunity here that you could potentially benefit from. Once again, not financial advice, just my personal opinion, but in the shorter term, I think there's going to be an opportunity in the coming weeks to get a trade here from $6,500 all the way to $7,500 probably. And also, let's just take a look at Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies versus the stock market. So right here, we have the overview of the crypto markets today, and as you can see, pretty much full green, right? Compared to stocks, we have a lot of red. We do have a little bit of green, but we have mostly red. So stocks are pretty risky right now in a way. Not that I'm not buying stocks. I am buying some stocks, and there are some very good opportunities there as well. But to be honest, I feel safer with cryptos right now. In my opinion, the investment that I would trust the most here, where I would be less sort of afraid of some type of extreme situation happening, would be cryptos. I think that cryptos, the path is pretty clear right now that they're going to start to bounce a bit and consolidate, whereas stocks could still fall pretty significantly from where they're at now. Some of them more than others, but the opportunity is there for the U.S. financial markets to drop more, whereas cryptos, some of them like Bitcoin even, where there's sort of that digital gold equivalent, are very well positioned in this type of fear in the economy. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. I posted a picture about this, and I've been very active updating you on what's happening on the financial markets there. So make sure to check that out. Link in the description. Also, check out my technical analysis master course, The Ultimate Guide to Technical Analysis. We've gotten great reviews, as you can see. It's less than $20 and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose by giving it a try. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and have a great day.